Welcome to my latest video, guys and gals. Today we will be discussing 4 questions that may or may not be holding you back from beginning to learn how to code. The first question that we're going to discuss is, do I need a super good laptop or PC to start learning how to code? And the answer is no. In all honesty, most of the learning platforms that I recommend and that a lot of people start with are going to have integrated environments, and then after that you will be coding mostly in a text editor, some super simple stuff. So it's not until you get into the more advanced theories and projects that you're going to need a better computer, and that is if you need one at all. The second question I want to discuss with you guys is, I am not good at maths, can I still learn how to code? Yes. There's plenty of coding jobs and coding out there that you do not need to be super good at maths for. Plus, you can actually just code something to do the maths for you once you get good enough. So being good at maths is not a requirement of learning to code. The third question that we're going to discuss is, I don't have a lot of spare time, is it still worth trying to learn how to code? The answer is yes. If you can even just spend an hour or two every single day going through your learning materials, maybe doing a little bit of practice, etc, etc, then you'll be surprised at how much you can learn over weeks and months, rather than looking at it in, oh, I didn't learn that much today. Look at it at, oh, look how much I've learned this month. And the final question that I want to discuss with you guys today is, I don't have a lot of spare money. How can I learn to code for free or on a budget? Well, the answer to this is that we live in 2022 going into 2023, so you don't really need to spend any money when learning how to code. There's plenty of resources out there on the internet, such as FreeCodeCamp and the Odin Project, that will let you learn code for free. And there's other great resources like SoloLearn that will let you learn coding on a budget. So really, all it comes down to is using these sites, and that way you are able to learn coding on a budget or even totally for free. I hope you enjoyed today's video, everyone. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to pop them down in the comments and I will try and answer them as and when I can. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It will really help me out with that YouTube algorithm, and it will help me want to make more content like this in the future. For now, peace out.